guess what I got today, and it's definitely not everything I ordered from Shein, but it's some of the stuff I ordered from Shein. Feels like there's two things in here. I just grabbed this out of the mailbox, and I'm trying to look at my address here. Okay, so there's three things in here, but I thought I ordered more, so this might not be the whole order. But so. All right, that's one box. That's another box. And this is another box. Let me show you. Not showing my address. So, can you see this? Shein. I got some things from Shein. Forgot. What did I order? I wasn't going to buy anything from Shein, and then I was like, I'm going to buy something from Shein. Okay, so this isn't. I ordered this pink tulip makeup brush holder, or whatever you want to use this for. This came, two separate pieces. You stick them together. And I guess that's all it wants to do. So, why did I film it? I don't know, I did it by accident, but it's okay. See this? Can you see it? Can you see it? Kind of? Yeah, so that's that. They have these in different colors, and they were like pretty cheap. I was pretty cheap. So I'll leave the links in the video in the description box. The links from the items that I got that are in this video in the description box. I got two of these in the same color because I didn't like the other colors enough to commit to them. But yeah, so I got two of these tulip brush holders or paper clips in here, pins, whatever you want. And so I got two of these. Aren't they cute? I've been looking for real tulips everywhere around here, and I can't find them. I really wanted tulips for our garden, and I just couldn't find them. All right, so now this, I know I bought more things, but this is all that came today. Let me stick this like this. Is that better? Yeah, that's much better. And then this one is, okay, so it's not one of the mugs. You know what it is? It's a white purse. So this I ordered myself because I wanted them. Don't mind my nails, I'm transitioning to another look. This is something that Stephanie Lewis from SL Miss Glam Beauty showed in her video, a couple of her videos recently. It's a white purse vase, but you can use it for whatever you want. I might use this for makeup brushes also. Isn't this cute? It's so pretty and cute. So I got one of these for me. And here, let me stick it up here so you can see this. Isn't this so cute? Aren't they so cute? Try to do this so you can see them all together. It's my little new family. So yeah, these are my, it's a little unboxing. It's not everything, but it's everything I got for now from Shein. I said I was getting stuff in the mail today, but this isn't everything. I know I ordered a few other things, because I know I ordered 2 mugs and maybe some other stuff. I can't remember, but the mugs didn't come yet. These were in my mailbox. So yes, so this is what I got for now. That's what I got for now from Shein. And I can't wait to put them in my room and use them for my makeup brushes. Maybe I'm gonna swap things out. Because you know what it was? The makeup brush holders, or the ones that I use for makeup brushes as holders, are a little high. One of the ones that's in my room is a little high. And I'm like, I need something a little less deep. So these are probably better options, because I don't want the brushes to be covered by the holder. I'll leave them for you. These actually come in different colors. There's like a green, I think there's a yellow, there's a blue, but I liked the pink. They're a little more pink in real life. This is very pale, to be honest. And these are white. I think they come in black also, but I liked the white better. The black is a little too dark for me right now. It's a little too heavy. But they're cute, and they're easy to assemble. I mean, you could use this as a cup if you wanted to, but I'm not going to. And very inexpensive. which is one of the good things about Shein. But yeah, so that's them. This is a very interesting unboxing look, if I do say so. So I went a little crazy on the brush holders, or whatever you want them to, whatever you want to use them for, holder things. So these can be for anything really, but I got them for makeup brushes, and then I realized I probably don't, well, I probably do have enough to fill them with. I have more makeup brush holders than I probably really need, but it's okay. So I got 2 of these on top of the tulip ones that I just got in the other box that came, or package, because it didn't come in a box. It came in like the plastic envelope thing. So I got 2 of these. They're rose gold. I believe these came in rose gold and another color. I forget which color. But yeah, I got 2 of these. And what's inside of this? Oh, and they put a sponge. I got this pretty gold. Oh, this one just comes like this. And then for an extra couple bucks, you can get this and a sponge holder. So I got a sponge holder, and that came in gold with this. That's cute. And then I have 2 mugs in here. One's in here and one's in that box, or whatever this is. I need to get my scissors out again to cut these. So these are the things. One of them is what Stephanie Lewis has from SL Miss Glam Beauty. And the other one is just one that I just picked out because I thought it was pretty. And I was hesitant on getting these mugs because the volume isn't that big for like what I like for my iced coffee or even tea. But I figured, what the heck? What the heck? So I'm going to open them up for you and me. One sec. And again, I will leave the links in the description box for you on this video. So this one tells you to have a nice day. Oh, thanks. And then on the top, so this is the mug that I ordered that I just picked out myself. This wasn't one that no, this was one. wait, is this the one? No, I don't think it is. I don't remember. One of them is and one of them isn't. Oh, this is cool. You can like give it to somebody, but I bought it for myself. Greeting card. To Alana, love Alana. Thanks. To Alana, love Alana. Alana, can't say my name. Greeting card. And then, so on the other side there, it says, have a nice day. Thanks. And then on top, it says, sunflower cup coffee, ceramics, 200 milliliters, which isn't much. And, hold on, let me show you what's on the inside. I gotta figure out how to get this open. Open sesame, one sec. And this is what this one looks like. Making sure it's not broken. So this is what 200 milliliters looks like. See, again, it's not a lot. This is good for espresso. Maybe for my Nespresso. I like how this is. It's like, kind of uncomfortable, but yeah, you go like this and you go like this. Small. I hope this is dishwasher safe. So that was something I wasn't really sure about, but I like dishwasher safe things. If not, I'll just hand wash it. Yeah, I couldn't figure it out because everything is I don't know, they don't really tell you. So underneath here, not to break it, but underneath here, what did I just do? I just pushed random buttons. So underneath in there is the saucer. Why did I do it like that? I don't know. I'm gonna try not to get this dirty because it's all ceramics. Yeah, it's a really pretty floral saucer. So, and there's nothing on here that tells you whether or not it's dishwasher safe or not. I'm gonna assume it's not, but I wish it was. I mean, are ceramics usually? I don't know. I'm not sure if the paint's gonna last though, and I'm gonna ask her. SL Miss Glam, do you put these in the dishwasher or do you not put them in the dishwasher? Can you? I don't know. But I'm trying not to drop this and break it. But isn't this pretty? This is one like she has. The other one is not one that she has that I know of. But this one is. And don't mind the schmutz on the couch. But yeah, so this is the everything I got so far. Plus this box. The reason why I thought this was the one she didn't have was because the look on the box is similar to what should be inside of there. And let me pause this so I can get that ready to show you. Oh no! It broke! I was carefully trying to force it out of the damn box. And this whole thing fell on the floor, shattered into pieces. There's no way I'm gonna get it back together. But I have this really pretty saucer. I'm so sad. And I think this cup was like $20 something. I wonder if there's a way that I can get it replaced. Because I'm pretty sure this one was like $20 something. I am so sad. Wow. Wow. See, look at all these freaking pieces. Wow. Wow. Bunny, what am I gonna do? What? Oh, there you are. Bunny, what am I gonna do? Wow. She's like, I don't know. Wow. What am I gonna do, Bunny? What am I gonna do? And she's like, not my problem. Oh my God, I'm so pissed. I am so pissed. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna see what I can do about that. So I just went shopping. I'm going to show you a couple of things that I got at Kohls. I'm not going to show you one of them because it's kind of personal. But I'll show you these bowls, which I got. There's a set of 4. They're dishwasher safe, not microwave safe. Oh, they are microwave safe? Oh, wow. I figured these would be a good alternative instead of using paper all the time. Because we have regular, but I don't like to use regular. Because it fills up our dishwasher too fast. And I got this color because eventually we're going to make our kitchen blue. And these are pretty and they're deep and big. And I got this dress, which is simply Vera Wang. I like how the bottom is. It's very edgy. There's a number of items in here. So I got another pair of these shorts because I like them and they're comfortable at Walmart. And I got more nail files because I need them. And I got scissors because I also need those. And I got, just look at my receipt, 3 of these cuticle trimmers because sometimes I like to cut myself. Well, trim my cuticles. I got aloe vera gel because I like this for my body. And I got these big Post-its for when I'm working because they come in handy. I got more Scotch tape because I misplaced my other one and I like to have it in my office. I got this little Cheshire cat from Alice in Wonderland, Disney Alice in Wonderland limited edition. We're all mad here from Wet n Wild and Alice in Wonderland. They did a collaboration recently, you know, Alice. And it's so cute. And I'm like, if I'm going to get any of these things, it's going to be this mirror. And I did. And I'm like, I don't even care how much it costs. A letter opener. I got one of these. So you never know when you're going to need one of those. I got a NYX Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream product. I figured I'd give it a whirl. And this shade is called Cherry Cream. And I got NYX Ultimate Glow Shots Brightening Liquid Eyeshadow. Excuse me, what the hell am I thinking? I don't know. And this is in shade Clementine Fine because I was thinking I should try that Snapchat guy look. the transgender look that I've been wanting to do. I got this orange just in case, but I don't know if it's big enough. Gel eyeliner. I saw this one first before I got the liquid one. This is from About Face 94, Halsey's brand at Walmart. It's in it says number 69 gel eyeliner. High Tops is the color. It's an orangey color. And then I got this Wet n Wild Chloricon multi-stick in a green shade, because I wanted to try that. Green on Me is the name of the color. Green on me, green on me, green on me. I love the bunnies trying to take a nap while I'm doing this. Green on me, green on me, green on me. Green. This lip product from Walmart. It's the NYX Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream in shade called Cherry Cream. And I wanted to try this because I don't like a gloss that's too glossy. And I'm like, matte lip cream. So let me give it a whirl. And I found one that wasn't already opened. So you know how people are at stores. It smells gross. Let's try it. Part of my face. Okay, after wiping a little bit of it off, like where it didn't belong on my face, it's a little weird. Like, you see that? And I got it too. Ew, gross. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. Like the cool kids say, I don't love it, but I don't hate it. And that's my honest impression and review of this product from NYX.